Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to sort by date in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. In first step, make sure birthday column has been formatted as a date and then select the area you want to sort, including headers. Navigate to Data tab. In the Sort and Filter section, click on Sort. Sort by. Here we will choose date of birth. In order oldest to newest or newest to oldest to newest. As you can see, the data are sorted from the oldest to the newest. If you would like to sort from the newest to oldest, select your data. Again from Data tab, sort newest to oldest, and then OK. If you are interested to know more about how to sort data in Microsoft Excel, check out the description. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.